Hello. Can you introduce yourself, please?
My name is Tien. I'm 7 years old. I'm from Vietnam. My favorite color is purple.
Okay, good. Okay, can you give me a word that starts with SN?
Snake.
Good. CH? No, that starts with CH.
Cheese.
Good. And what about CR?
Crown.
Good. What about SH? Okay, let's go on the next one. What about BL?
Blue.
Blue. Good. What about CL?
Black.
Good. What about BR?
Brown.
Brown. Good. Okay, let's look at these pictures. Can you tell me where is the mouse?
The mouse is in the box.
Very good. Where is the mouse?
The mouse is behind the sofa.
Good. Where is the mouse?
The mouse is under the table.
Good. And where is the mouse?
The mouse is in front of the TV.
Awesome. Good job. Okay, can you tell me what is she doing?
She is playing.
Playing what? Playing. Good. What is he doing?
She is drinking coffee.
Good. What is she doing?
She is eating apples.
Okay. What is he doing?
He is playing basketball.
Awesome. Very good. Okay. What day is it today?
It's Tuesday.
Tuesday? What day is it today?
It's Tuesday.
Good. What day was it yesterday?
It's Wednesday.
Good. And what day is it tomorrow?
Friday.
Good. Well done. Okay. What is a fruit that is red?
It's apple.
Good. What is an animal that can fly?
The bird.
Good. What is an animal where milk comes from?
Milk comes from cow.
Good. Is it a fish?
Yes, it is.
Good. Is it a banana?
No, it isn't.
Very good. Okay, let's have a look at numbers. So I'll spin it. Okay, what number is it?
It's 28.
Good, it's 28. Well done. Let's spin again. What number is it?
Is 542.
Awesome, very good. Okay, let's look at this picture. What is it?
And wake up.
Good, what's this?
And take a shower.
Good. What's this?
and eat breakfast.
Good. What's this?
And brush my teeth.
Good. What's this?
I brush my hair.
Good. And what's this?
I go to school.
Very good. Okay. What's this?
It's play.
Good. A, B, C, or D?
And
A. Very good. What's this?
break.
Good. Is it A, B, C, or D?
B.
B. Very good. What's this?
Play.
Good. Is it A, B, C, or D?
D.
Good. What's this?
Listening.
Good. Is it A, B, C, or D?
C.
Good. What's this?
Play.
Good. A, B, C, or D?
A.
Yes. Good job. What's this?
Sheep.
Good. A, B, C, or D?
B.
Good. What's this?
Leaf.
Good. A, B, C, or D?
D.
Good job. What's this?
Puppy.
Puppy. Good. Is it A, B, C, or D?
C.
C. Very good. And this one, what is it?
Bird.
Good. A, B, C, or D?
B.
B. Good. Okay, 9 out of 9. Perfect. Okay, let's read this story. Rub-a-dub.
And had 6 cats in the box. The cat got out. The cat got in the mud. Rubber ducked 6 cats in the tub and had to rub the mud of the cats. The cat got mad. The cat got out the tub.
Good. That's the end of the test. Okay, well done. High five.